There is no patio. What I did was just created a patio. Camouflage most of the dirt by using this rug, waterproof rug, and an outdoor green carpet. I took these pavers and made a pathway. A couple of stands. Those little stands come from Wal-mart, and of course I put these desert type plants out here. They really love the sun, don't need much water. So I hung up the lights, mulch boxes with solar lights in there. So if she want to put flowers in there later. Right here, you're looking from a porch view. I just painted, the client already had that pot, so I painted the rim of it blue to match her decor. And I bought that little stand and a plant. And this plant has to keep cool, so it's sitting over in the shade. Now, I always say 2 rugs are better than 1. Put 2 rugs down. And here's the new light fixture. These awesome pieces are citronella oil burners. I put some mulch down on the side of the porch. And of course some new pavers. And of course that's still a lot of dirt over there. So I'm going to suggest that the client maybe fill it in with rocks